find the balance between stress and successful trading. Stay tuned, traders. We'll be right back. G'day traders, Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. Today we're going to talk about balancing stress and successful trading. If you've been trading long enough, you know that trading itself, there's a lot of challenges, a lot of hidden challenges, not only to be profitable, but to be consistently profitable. And then getting your trades to a certain size where you're not only profitable, but you're making a reasonable sum of money. And that is the challenge for all of us as retail traders. There's a lot of hidden potholes emotionally, mentally, that we bring to the markets. And one of the things, if you've been following me long enough, you know that I spend a lot of my time working on my mindset. I spend a lot of my time away from the computer screen. I talked about shifting the majority of my trading to end of day for various reasons. And I still use my end of day to look for high priority trading days on the hourly system. But in order for me to what I believe find success in my trading, boiled back down to having the lifestyle that I wanted and spending time doing the things that I love. You know that I like to work out, I like to prioritize my health. That not only helps me feel physically fit, but it relaxes my body, it calms my mind. I believe that it keeps me at my best. I come from a sporting background, so I believe that that is one of the best ways that I've learned to prepare myself, not only physically to feel good about myself, but to be mentally prepared to approach the markets, to study the markets, to calm my mind, to monitor my breathing, to keep my headspace emotionally orientated when I'm at the screen. I use a lot of little mental techniques that I've talked about in some of the other videos, high performance mental training, that Navy SEAL techniques to be able to perform under pressure. But I think one of the biggest keys for me is to enjoy my life. I love getting down to the beach. We live in a beautiful city. We live a kilometer from the beach, probably some of the best beaches in the world, definitely the Southern Hemisphere. I love to play sport. I like to go to my kids' sporting events. I participate in some of the recreational sports. I cycle a lot. But my point is that if you're spending the bulk of your time at the computer screen, but you're not getting the results, one of the questions I have to ask of you is, why are you doing it if you're not enjoying your life? So I think the priority, one of my priorities, my first priority of the day is always to place my lifestyle first, my family and my lifestyle first, meaning that if I'm at my best, I'm at my best for my family, I'm at my best for my trading, but I'm also happy. And you may have a full-time job, or you may be doing other things that you're not currently happy with, but you need to, one of the things that may help is to design your trading around that, but around the things that you love to do. If you're not doing anything that you love, eventually that's going to show up in your trading. You're going to be angry and bitter. That will reflect in impulsive, emotionally rational trades. You don't have to necessarily be into the same things I am, obviously, but I encourage you to prioritize the things that you want in your life. Now, if those are materially driven things and you don't have the capital to pursue that just yet, and trading is your vehicle to do that, then in the meantime, replace that with things that you love to do that aren't going to take up your capital or aren't going to cost you a lot of money. Perhaps that's getting out with your friends. Perhaps it's going to the gym. Perhaps it's sport or getting to the beach or time with family. If you're not in a place where you can create those things, perhaps create that with your vision board. Now, I have a vision board at home of some of the things that I want to create in my life. Now, unbeknownst, over time, I've been able to gradually be chipping one thing off at a time. So you want to, one of the things we talk about in the 7-step daily routine for high performance traders is goal setting. And part of that goal setting for me is a vision board. I put up some things on my vision board. I set some reasonable expectations that I know that I can achieve. I try to put a time limit on that, but I also have some things on there that people have looked at, and this isn't something you have to share, but there are some goals that I have on there that are fairly large. And I believe that you need to set the bar high for yourself, very high, because even if you fall halfway short, you're still going to be a lot further along than where you're at now. So don't be afraid to set some reasonable goals in your life and some massive ones as well. But link that back to your trading. How are you going to create that with your trading? Obviously you need to be consistent. You need to have a system that's going to have longevity and robustness to it. Part of the reason why I went to end of day was that I see that the bulk of my own shortcomings and the majority of retail traders fail at day trading. And I know that it's not sustainable long term for the average person. So one of the things I looked at was, how am I going to create something that's going to create a large enough opportunity for me with my trading over the long term in terms of the size and the position sizing and the time in the market, but also something that I was going to be able to manage emotionally and consistently regardless of the size of the capital pool that I was managing. So again, stress is something that you create between your own ears. Your number one enemy to your trading is between your own ears. All the videos we've talked, there's over 500 videos. The bulk of that deals with your mindset. On my tagline we talk about discipline, building discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset to master the markets. And that's what you need to be working on a daily basis. There's hundreds of ways to trade the market. The first part of any one of those trading systems is being able to predefine your risk, managing your downside, looking for asymmetrical risk-reward opportunities, and then focusing on flawless execution of that trading system. So get out, create the lifestyle that you want now, build your trading around that, be the best that you can be, and let your trading be a reflection of that. If you're not at the level of the trading that you want to be at, focus on constant progress. Like Mike Bellafiore says it best, how good can you get? So stay focused, stay disciplined, traders. Have a great trading week, and may the markets go with you.
Hi traders, it's Stacey Burke from Stacey Burke Trading. If you haven't done so, please head over to my website at staceyburketrading.com. I create updates on almost a daily basis, and I would love for you to receive them. Just click on the blog. If you want to enter your name and your email address, I'll send you my free audio program, the 7-Step Daily Routine for High Performance Traders. This is essential knowledge for all traders in all markets, and this is for helping traders to master the market with discipline, confidence, and a winning mindset. I appreciate all your feedback and comments. As always, traders, stay disciplined, and may the markets go with you.